Okay, so let's talk about being and existing. Existing. Physically being, physically existing, a real life thing. Real. Tangible. Tangible. So we could say appear. Appear. That, the way I see it, that appears to be wrong. That appears to be the way I... That appears to be Tom. That appears to be James. Yeah. So it appears to be him. So it appears like through our eyesight. It appears to be working. It appears to be broken. It appears. Or we could even say seem. It seems that way. Seems that way. I mean, like, it seems that way. Look and think. Like, it seems to be fine. It seems to have plenty of ink. I mean, I'm guessing so. I'm guessing. I can't see the ink, but based on the writing, it seems to have plenty of ink. It seems to be working fine. It appears undamaged. Undamaged. So damage, damaged, and undamaged. Undamaged. It appears undamaged. It seems fine. Seems fine. It appears fine. Very nice. And exist. Exist. Something exists or it does not exist. Does not appear. Does not seem. Does not. Or doesn't. Oops. Doesn't. Does not. It does not appear to be broken. Does not seem to be working. It does not exist. That does not exist. It does not exist on paper. It does not exist in the real world. It only exists. Only exists in the story. Only exists. Only in the story. Nowhere else. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, so we could then say the story appears to be finished. It seems it is as good as it can be, and it exists only on the computer. Makes sense. We exist to serve, and I seem to have plenty of ink, plenty of time. Only a few more videos left. It seems only a few videos left. And I appear to be nicely dressed. Nicely dressed and nicely shaved. How cool is that? Yeah. So being and existing. Existing. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.